Welcome to the behind the scenes of how I do my raffle shows. Thank you, Arlo, for volunteering to help me out. As you can see here, the store is closed at 6 o'clock. I got an hour and a half to put something together. I'm listening to the music. First, it's Latin Heritage Month, so it is going to be a Latin theme. I put together about an hour long behind the background music, all Latin, all me. So I'm listening to it to see how well it flows. I'm going to take bits and pieces of each of the songs and use those for little bits and pieces of, I have a soundboard that I'll use to kind of do a little quick sounds effects. And this is my get up right here. Well, I'm going to have my hat turned backwards. J Worldwide 305. Well, actually 415. 650 too. This is my get up, my glasses, these are kind of like my, my shtick, my glasses, my patent glasses that makes, I always wear these. That's my get up. After this, I will go ahead and rehearse. I'll produce kind of like what I hear for the first 2 minutes of how I'm going to introduce everybody in. My wife is going to come over in about a half hour. So literally, this is a two-man show. Lights, music, raffle, talent, everything. I'll kind of discuss a little bit behind the scenes on what goes on, what apparatus, equipment that I use to film. As you can see, for this episode, I'm gonna use the DJ lights for this. I have to practice my reggaeton, my Latin dance, which I usually just kind of pressure myself to learn it in 10 minutes. Basically, this whole show is improv, but as long as I know the sequence of what I need to talk about, what the prizes are, I'm good. So the great thing about going live, anything goes. So if you mess up, the important thing is you just got to keep the show going. And I think a lot of people certainly appreciate the fact that if you put yourself in my shoes, how hard it is a talent, it is practice. So keep the show going, keep your eyes on the camera. Those are the two things I could probably say right off the bat are really key tips if you ever think about going live. Here we go! Inside joke, if you're Latino, is it true? Is it true? Say yes or no. Is it true? Whenever reggaeton comes on, your body just starts moving. I learned it from her. Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. That concludes the 7:30 Saturday Night Live raffle show. Latino Hispanic Heritage Month is finally done. Next theme, we'll figure that out. But thanks for watching Behind the Scenes with Arlo and myself. Will be coming soon. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next episode.